A silly cheat sheet? Oreos with wasabi, slime in a notebook, and sweet glue? Check out funny college pranks on professors and students in our new video. Every student's dream is to walk into class just like this.
Wow!
All the girls will melt. And the professor forgets the topic of the lecture. This is the coolest guy in the whole college. Isn't he cute? And here's Alex. He is late as always. Rosie, please, give me your notes. Oh, jeez. What is behind the silhouette? Thanks, but I don't need your notes if they look like this. The party is going great. But one of us is way too tired. We can't miss this chance. Let's do an evening makeup look for our unlucky guest. And now, wake up! Tin, don't forget that we have an important class today. It's the final exam. We can't miss it. Sorry, am I on time? Look who it is! Madame Butterfly? Where am I? Is this a school from the Planet of the Apes? No, this is just the drama club's public speaking and mimicking practice. I'm listening to music and chewing gum during a break, right until my group mates notice me. Everyone needs to freshen up their breath right now. I always have some special gum for situations like this. Cut the clip off a marker. And wrap it in a Hubba Bubba label. Use double-sided tape. Cut the label along the cap so the marker can open. Glue the edges. I'll create a distraction. The important thing is to throw the marker as far as possible. And now I can't waste any precious seconds. Run, Forrest, run! Oh, girls, look! A new guy in our dorm! We need to arrange a welcome ceremony for him. Put a push pin into the sprayer of a can of silly string. Add a thread and tie the sprayer to the side of a microwave. Glue the thread to the door. And you can keep the cupcake. Let's get rid of the evidence. Quiet! He's coming! Whoops! Welcome to our dorm! Computer class, it's so boring! But my neighbor is kinda cute. Hey, cutie, do you have any plans after class? Hey, young man, go back to your assignment! Fine, I failed at flirting, so I'll prank instead. Attach a binder clip with a thread to the bottom of a skirt. And put the thread on the shoulder so no one sees it. The victim will do the rest. A regular reaction to seeing a thread is to pull it. Whoops! The teacher saves the situation. Well, my prank didn't work either. Rosie is alone. She needs to take advantage of this romantic moment while there is no one nearby. What are you doing? I want you to come to the most romantic place on campus with me. Come in. What? Is this the department office? I'm leaving! But the dean is on alert. Hang on, look who it is! When are you going to complete your missed work? I'll fix my makeup and pull a prank on Tin while I'm at it. Rosie is applying makeup to her lips and to the lenses of the microscope. Be careful while using the microscope so you don't get dirty. How interesting! No, give it back! Haha, that's exactly what I need! Tin places his eye on the lens and gets a pink frame as a bonus. Everyone, hand in your lab reports, and I'll hand in my experimental notebook for lab work. Cut a hole in a rectangular block of styrofoam. Glue the styrofoam frame into the cover of an old notebook, and attach a printed cover of a textbook to the notebook cover. Put in some slime. And what is that? Slime? I guess I'll clean my keyboard with the results of your experiment. Isn't it fun? Sure. It looks like someone was playing video games all night long again. Tin fell asleep right in the middle of the lecture. I'll teach him a lesson about falling asleep in class. Just grate some chalk into the palm of the sleeping person. Be sure to do it before the professor slams a book on the desk. For some reason, rubbing your nose is the first thing you do when you wake up. Rosie guessed right. Poor Tin. Now he's all covered in chalk. But the teacher stays in character till the end. Even though Miss Burpool was laughing at our prank, she decided to discipline us. We didn't do anything wrong, but punishment is punishment. You'll have to clean the classroom. Rosie can't help pranking here too. While her partner in crime is sweeping the floor, she puts a trash bag into a bucket of water. The bucket gets quickly filled up with papers. They are already falling out. You have to compact the trash. Whoops! Who knew there was water at the bottom of the bucket? Rosie did! Well, that's overboard. I can't wait for your assignment to download. What could be worse at an exam than a frozen test? Only the fact that you don't have a test at all. That's a great idea. While the professor turned away, Rosie quickly opens a download window. The reaction of the professor is pretty predictable. You'll take the test another time. That's what I was hoping for! Let's prank our friend. Are you actually eating glue? Yeah, this is a new life hack we saw on the internet. If you want to lose weight, you have to eat glue. Half a stick 3 times a day. Clean a glue stick container. Melt marshmallows in a microwave. Add red and blue food coloring. Make a purple mixture. Sprinkle your hands with powdered sugar and shape a roll. Put the sweet stick into the container. Want to try some? Stop! We were just joking! Jeez! A test is the most stressful part of school. The only thing worse is an exam. The professor chooses the best spot to watch the students. She's standing behind their backs. That's not fair. Well, it's time to break the ice. Where's my cheat sheet? Alex, show me what you have. What? You were shameless. At least everyone relaxed a little. Are those mint-flavored Oreos? My favorite! Enjoy! Take the filling out of mint Oreos and swap it for wasabi. Put the spicy cookies back into the pack. Close the edges using double-sided tape. Oh, how refreshing! Awesome! Fantastic! Really? That's not the reaction I was expecting. You clearly love eating fire. Girls, what are you thinking about? This is the final test, but you all failed it. Yes, we were bad at studying, but we were good at pranking professors. What a mess! Who brought this? Put it away right now! Whoops! Hey, babe! I'm thirsty too! Stop! Hey, Rosie, listen to this song I found. Tin, leave me alone. I have other things to worry about. I need to finish my report. What a nerd! Oh, Rosie left. I can't waste this chance. I'll print out the screen of her laptop and attach it to her screen. I wonder when she'll notice it's paper. Oh no, my prank went wrong. It looks like Rosie has been studying too much. Did you like our college pranks? Then comment below how you would prank your classmates. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hilarious pranks from Troom.